Dear students, in this video we will learn how to create a presentation in the PowerPoint. See here, after loading the PowerPoint, you will be getting one single slide over here. Now I'll tell you how to create a presentation or how to create a new file. New file is known as presentation in the PowerPoint. How can you create that? For this, what you have to do is go to the Microsoft Office button. In the corner you can see this is Office button. Click on the new option, select the new, and then a dialog box appears asking blank presentation along with the create button. See here, this is the create button. Click on the create button. See, this presentation is created. We can say new file is created. Okay, this new file by default having one single slide. As you can see here, put your text or heading or the title which you want, the matter under which you are making the presentation, you can put here. Likewise, I am writing, and the remaining text you can put over here. Okay, this slide we have used already. Now you required one more slide to write your text. Then what you can do is you have to insert the new slide. From where you can insert the new slide? Go to Home tab, and then in the slide group you will be finding one options available, new slide option. See this one, click on the new slide options. New slide inserted over here. You can put the text whatever you are liking to continue with. Okay, after that I am telling you here one more method. You can insert new slide either by clicking on the new slide option, or you can utilize the shortcut key also. Shortcut key combination, I'm telling you, if you are using control key with the combination of M, control plus M, CTRL plus M, control plus M key combination allows you to insert the new blank slide. How you can do? See here, I'm pressing control key simultaneously using M key, means both the key I am pressing together, control M. You can see here left hand side, earlier there were two slides, slide 1, slide 2. Here it is new slide, third inserted with the help of control plus M. See here, this is control M we have used, and we created or inserted the new slide. Likewise, you can copy the slide. Okay, click on the slide which you want to copy and use the control C shortcut key you can utilize, and control V for paste you can utilize, or by right clicking on the slide and selecting the option copy and paste, you can paste. See here, now 5 slides we have used. One slide we have inserted with the new slide options from the Home tab. Another slide we have inserted with the help of shortcut key combination control plus M, and then we have copied the slide with the help of control C and control V and mouse property copy and paste. Okay, now you can delete the unwanted slide. Okay, how can you delete the slide from a presentation? Select the slide and press direct delete key from the keyboard. So unwanted slide deleted. Okay, so in this way you can insert the slide and you can delete the slide. Okay, now I'll show you how to format the text of the slide. As usual, you will selecting the text and then going to the Home tab, clicking over there, and font group gives you option to format the text. Select the text, then go to font color option. See here, number of colors available. Click the color which you want in your presentation and see the text is formatted. Likewise, you can change the font also, its size also, and all the formatting effects as you are using in the product of Microsoft like Word, Excel. You can utilize the same thing over here in the PowerPoint also. Okay, next I'll show you how to create a new presentation with the help of shortcut key. You know, in the case of creating a presentation, we have taken help of the MS Office button, as we have created on the new option, and then we got the create option. Likewise, if you are using shortcut key Control plus N, see here, Control CTRL plus N, Control N. Again I am telling Control N for new presentation and Control M for new slide. Please remember, please note it somewhere. Okay, so I am pressing Control N, Control key pressing and N pressing. You see here, new presentation created, new file created. See here, I'll show you here. See this presentation 1. This is presentation we have created earlier and having 4 slides in it, and the another presentation, the presentation second, you can see is having only 1 slide. This is the last one which we have created. Okay, so today we understood that there are 2 methods of inserting a blank slide in the presentation. The first one is slide group from the home tab using the new slide button, and the second method is shortcut key Control plus M. And there are 2 methods of inserting a presentation or a file by using the Office button new option and by using the shortcut key Control plus N. Hope you will apply it in your presentation. Thank you.